In this video, I will be showing you how to protect a view on ClickUp. Protecting a view on ClickUp involves controlling and limiting access to specific views within the ClickUp workspace. By protecting a view, you can restrict who can see, edit, or interact with the information presented in that view. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with sensitive or confidential data, or when you want to maintain a streamlined workflow by limiting access to certain members. To protect a view, hover on the view and click on the ellipsis icon. Select More Settings, followed by Protect View, or opt for Sharing and Permissions and then Protect View. You can optionally include a message that will pop up when users try to remove the view protection. If desired, click Manage Permissions to tailor the list of individuals with the ability to remove the view protection. Click Protect Layout. Shield icons are shown next to the view's name and in the lower right corner for views that have been protected. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.